Hi everyone, my name is Tumishe. Welcome to AfroMD. I am a first year medical student at New York University School of Medicine, and this was my first day of class actually. So this is basically an introduction to what this channel is going to be about. It's just so I can see, my journey through med school and, share that with you guys, and, to see how I grow, stuff like that. So a little bit about me. So I went to the University of Pennsylvania for undergrad. I graduated in 2017, and while there, I started my Master's of Public Health, which I got in May of 2018. So this channel is gonna feature a bunch of different videos. I wanna take you through the medical school application process, answer any questions, and do things like that. I also really like fashion, so I'll do some fashion videos, I'll do some hair videos, it'll be kind of a variety of different things. So this past week was our white coat ceremony actually. So as some of you may or may not have heard, NYU actually went tuition free, and they announced it at our white coat ceremony.
So my med school just went tuition free, and
It's been a little less than a week, and my head is still. So I got a couple clips actually from my white coat ceremony, so check them out.
Press L for unique. Outline unique. Follow that.
Welcome to my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe.